Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. Well, we've had a very exciting day so far today.
Really.
Now, we were on our way down to Somerset for a few nights and then on to Cornwall at the weekend. And down the M6, one almighty bang. The Caravan swayed to one side, quickly got over into the hard shoulder, and we got a blowout, or had a blowout. So, I thought, well, spare wheel time. Went to the van, couldn't get to the spare wheel because the Caravan had dropped down so low, we couldn't even get anything underneath to lift it. So, called the RAC out. And they were nice enough, they came and we got the van up and we couldn't get the spare wheel off the mechanism. For some reason the tool wouldn't work on it, so we couldn't get the spare wheel off. So we had to then phone a tyre company. Tyre company came, got the wheel off, put a new tyre on for us, put a new wheel on.
Very nice man.
Very nice man, very nice.
Very nice man.
But well, it actually wasn't too expensive considering it was on the motorway and everything else. So we got a new tyre and it's all done. Now for the bad news. Underneath the bed, we haven't got a floor.
No.
There once was a floor, but when the tyre blew, it took the floor out. So we're on our way home.
We'll insert pictures.
Yeah. Slowly on our way home. Because I don't know if it's structural or what, because it's right by the wall as well. Like I say, we will put pictures in, you'll be able to see.
There's quite a few veins running from it as well, like
yeah.
It's cracked.
And there's a lot of mess everywhere in the van. In the cupboard by the door is the actual wheel arch itself, and there's like polystyrene everywhere there as well. So it's basically made a pretty big mess. So what can I say? We're not going on holiday.
No. It's not worth the risk to try and carry on.
Even the whole area, you know, you're driving down the road, you're going to get bits coming up into it. If it rains, it's going to get moisture up there. No, I don't know if it's structural or not, so it's just not worth it. So for the moment, our hitch up and towing days are over.
Yeah.
Now we have, of course, we've got insurance. So once we get home, we'll be contacting the insurance company and see where we go from there. Now I have heard, or what we've read online, is it's reasonably common and it is repairable, depending on where and how big and everything else. So fingers crossed the insurance company will pay out and it will be repaired. But until then, no more little jaunts away.
No.
So we're all a bit sad today.
Very.
Yeah. But we will keep you apprised of, hang on a minute, just pulling up, of what happens. And hopefully we'll be back on the road soon. So until then, it's bye from me.
And it's adieu from me. Bye guys.
Bye.